Hello.
Huh?
How are you?
What, you want some dick?
Hello.
Is it me you're looking for?
I hate when I hear a breakup song on the radio because I haven't had a relationship since 5th grade, so I have to think of that.
Righty, next up we have a Killer Floor with a Message. This again. The songs I'm playing right now, they're absolutely brilliant. They should be in the top 20. I don't know why they're not. This is Killer Floor, Message, guys. Give it a listen, give it a share.
And you left me Repeat after me. I'm great.
We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town radio. All your classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio. Righty, I've just had word from the Johns that they haven't got a new entry at all, but I'm using a new upload system at the minute, so I might be getting myself a little bit confused. I haven't actually checked the track out yet. It was just labelled the Johns, so I might be getting that a little bit wrong. If that is the case, Clockwork Eyes have got a new release out, which is called Odd Relics, which I'm gonna play instead, and that will be a new entry for next week instead of the Johns. This is Odd Relics, this is Clockwork Eyes. Again, these have been in our top 20 now for some time, and they've only just dropped out. Let's hope this is the tune that's going to get them back around into the top 20. This is Clockwork Eyes, guys. Odd Relics. Right, guys, I think I'm going to wind my neck in now. I think that is it for this evening. So don't forget, guys, do tune in this coming Sunday. We have new entries into the top 20 by Paul Walker, The Late Poets, Low Winter Sun, Gone Savage, Clockwork Eyes. It was supposed to be the Johns, but there's a bit of confusion there, so I think I'm going to put Clockwork Eyes forward. Steve Thompson and The Incidents have got one of their latest songs also getting aired. And we also have tracks from Go Fiasco, brilliant, She Beat, brilliant, The Havocs and Gemstone Heist, absolutely top drawer stuff. We also have the brilliant Vanessa Murray joining us in the live lounge. It's been too long. On the blower, also this Sunday, we have Davey Rowlands. He's in charge of organising Independent Music Venue Week this month. He's a manager, promoter and a producer, so we will have him on for a little chit chat on the blower. Loads of tunes by David Bowie has to be done. I think even our Alan Six is going to throw a little cover in somewhere there and around. Guys, thank you very, very much for tuning in tonight, and thank you for filling my ears with all this wonderful music. Liverpool music at the moment is just unbelievable. Sorry, I'm Manchester and the North West, but when I'm looking at the top 20, it seems predominantly Liverpool music pushing forward at the moment, which is always nice to see, as I am a Scouser. Guys, good night, God bless. Stay out the puddles. I'm going to leave you with an obscure Oasis track. This is As Long As They've Got Cigarettes in Hell. Good night, guys. God bless.
Spend your days just working and shopping, depending on how much your luck is in. Spend your nightlife table hopping and trying to keep that bag of bones in trim. I don't mind not feeling immortal, 'cause it ain't all that as far as I can tell. I don't mind not going to hell.